Italy doesn't stop to amaze us in this hot season of the summer. We have an explosion of the Stromboli volcano caught on the camera. This is the experimental laboratory of geophysics of University of Firenze. You can see that this is the hot pyroclastics coming down from the peak of the Mount Stromboli, the island of Stromboli, which has a town down the slopes on the other side of it. From the ground, it looked like that. A 4-kilometer cloud of ash rising. The smell of the sulfur is in that region now. You can smell sulfur due to the volcanic gases released. And from the satellite images, we can see that this is the island of Sicily, where we have the Etna, and the north of it is Stromboli. This is the map I'm showing you, and you can see the cloud due to the pyroclastic movement coming from the direction of the summit of the Stromboli. I zoom on that so you can see it better. We have a close-up of it also from a satellite image. Again, wrong orientation. On the left side, you see the town. On the right side of the center, you can see the summit with the pyroclastic moving down. This is again from another view. You can see the pyroclastics and the flow of the lava. And this is the National Institute of the Geophysics and Volcanology of Italy, showing that from the ground, this is the 4-kilometer ash cloud we are seeing. It's a developing situation. I will keep you up to date about this. We had similar to this in the past. Please watch that also. Powerful eruption of a Stromboli volcano. People waked up and saw that Stromboli is in eruption. That is again on the side of the volcano. This is the beginning of it, how it was. If you missed it, that's it. You will not see it. I'm speeding it up just for making the video shorter. Why this is erupting all the time on that flank? The Stromboli is higher than that. You can see the actual summit further up. Why it is erupting here? I have a theory, and that is that the magma cannot rise to the full height of the mountain. One reason is that this side of it is always have erosion toward the sea. As you can see here, you can see lightning here. Just watch. So this side is always eroding and always removing material from the volcano. You can see the summit to the left, actually, you saw that. So this side is always less weight on it, and that's the reason eruption always happens there. Magma easily can remove the remaining part of the top of the volcano and just comes out of that. Easy peasy, as you should say. So it comes from there because the material from there is already removed, and it's easy for it to just erupt from that shorter route than climbing up to the full height of the mountain. And this is how it works in my theory, in my understanding. That is the way people walk up to this big column of the ash and fire into the sky. Satellites were able to pick it. This is the Sentinel. This is the African plate pushing against the Eurasian plate. In Italy, it creates a lot of volcano subduction, causes these pimples in the earth crust to rise. Stromboli is a beautiful one, very active also, lightning all the time. Civil protection and the Italian army were using a helicopter to check the instrument on the summit and the flanks of the Mount Stromboli, the island in the Mediterranean Sea in the southern Italy. And then they witnessed this event, explosion, a pyroclastic explosion, which created a flow, avalanche of the pyroclastic material. These are the hot, shattered rock pieces and ash, which flow like an avalanche down the slope. And the result is this event. We see it now here, moving toward the Ionian Sea, that part of the Mediterranean Sea which is adjacent to the Sicily and the mainland Italy. From a distance, of course, it looks beautiful. You can have beautiful sunset, take nice, views of this. And you can see here, this is a first quarter moon and the hot pyroclastic flowing down. This is the map of it. This slope is unstable, so you don't see any grass on it. That's the reason. This shows that the resurfacing of this mountain is all the time happening on that side. It's a nice thing to view, but not a nice place to work if you have to go there and do it. From down in the village that you can see here, it looks spectacular, beautiful, threatening in a way, and it creates sulfur clouds, which can also make the, travel a distance, like what Mount Etna did recently. Stromboli also do the same. In this region is dotted with the volcanoes. You can see Stromboli itself is just little island. This is due to the African plate undergoing subduction on the Italian plate. Is the oceanic plate going down, is reaching water because it has been in the ocean, full of water, and then comes back and explodes. Because the parent magma, as we said, comes from a water-rich oceanic crust. Amazing eruption of the Stromboli volcano. This was just today. As you can see, the volcano was erupting suddenly and created this huge fountain of the lava. And what is more interesting is the context of this eruption. This eruption happened in this situation, in this setting. Listen and watch. You could even hear the sound of the sonic boom of the eruption. I will play it again for you so you can listen to that right now. Of course, you can watch the volcanoes everywhere. In Iceland, you have to walk 20 kilometers. In Indonesia, you may get killed by it. But here, you can have your pizza and watch the volcano. That only happens in Italy. And this is the situation there. You have eruption during the day, dark ash cloud, and in the night, like as if fireworks. Beautiful fireworks. If you are lucky, you will be treated like that. This is part of the collision zone of the Africa and Eurasian plate. As you can see here, this is the African plate. And Italy is at the boundary of them. And where this happens, collision happens, one of the plates, this Mediterranean Tethys old plate, undergoes subduction, raises up as a volcano, as a mountain. And this is what we will see. Is a volcano Stromboli, usually erupts up toward the northwest. And this is the Mediterranean Sea, as you can see, the old remnants of the Tethys Ocean. And the resulting is this volcano, which has access to the water, and it creates, steam explosions, very eruptive in that sense.